If you're seeing a Monday.com error when trying to remove a user, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step fix so you can troubleshoot the issue quickly and get back to managing your workspace. This is a common problem, and in many cases, it can be caused by something as simple as a page loading issue, slow internet, a browser extension, or a permission setting inside Monday.com. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's get started. First, refresh the page. Sometimes the error happens because Monday.com didn't load properly, and a simple refresh is enough to clear the issue. If that doesn't work, the next thing to check is your internet speed. Open your browser and search for a speed test. Run the test and make sure your connection is stable. If your internet is slow or dropping out, Monday.com may fail when it tries to process changes like removing a user. Once you've checked your connection, move on to browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can interfere with Monday.com's admin functions. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then choose Manage Extensions, and temporarily turn off any ad blockers or other suspicious extensions. After disabling them, go back to Monday.com and try removing the user again. If the issue still continues, the last thing to check is permissions inside Monday.com. Log into Monday.com, click your profile picture, and go to Admin. From there, open Directory, then Users, and finally User Roles. Make sure the account you're using has the correct admin permissions to manage users. If your role is limited, you may not have the access needed to remove someone from the workspace or account. After checking all of these steps, try the removal process one more time. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem and allow Monday.com to remove the user normally. If the error is still showing, it may be worth asking another admin to test the action, or checking whether the user is tied to any active permissions or seats that need to be adjusted first. The good news is that this issue is usually easy to fix once you narrow down whether it's a browser issue, connection issue, or permissions issue. If this video helped you fix the Monday.com error removing user, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.